Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll address a common issue that many users encounter when using Google Chrome: sound not working. But don't worry, we've got you covered with a simple solution. Follow these steps to fix the sound problem in Chrome. First, click on the three dots or three horizontal lines located in the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. This will open the Chrome menu. From there, navigate to the Settings page. Once you're on the Settings page, click on the Privacy and Security tab. Within this tab, locate and click on Site Settings. Scroll down the Site Settings page until you find the Sound option. Click on it to access the sound settings for Chrome. Now, ensure that the toggle button on this page is switched on or set to On. This will enable sound for Chrome. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the sound not working issue in Google Chrome. But why does this issue occur in the first place? Let's briefly explore the possible reasons. Sometimes Chrome's sound settings can become misconfigured or accidentally muted, resulting in no sound output. By following the steps we've just shared, you can easily check and adjust these settings, ensuring that sound is enabled for Chrome. We hope this video has helped you fix the sound not working issue in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.